Did you know you can make $900 in 3 hours? And it's stupid easy. And you can do it all right from your computer. Let me show you how. First, go to textbroker.com. Textbroker wants to pay you for every word you type. Want to go to the top and select I write content and then select payment. As you can see, Textbroker wants to pay you $450 for typing 8,300 words. According to the National Center for Voice and Speech, the average conversation rate for English speakers in the United States is about 150 words per minute. This means it should only take you an hour for 9,000 words. Now here's the stupid easy part. You don't even have to type it. Just go over to Google Docs. At the top of the menu, select Tools and then scroll down to Voice Typing. As you can see, it's typing out exactly what I'm saying right on the screen. So a couple hours of work and you got $900. So what will you do with the other hour of work? Well, that's simple. Just head over to Grammarly.com and it'll check all your work. If you want to know how I make 5 figures passively per month from home, follow and see my profile.